Hello and welcome to the second video of our showering series on the Dakota Occupational Therapy weekly page in the LIMS classroom. So, we're going to talk a little bit about frequency. That means, how many times should I shower? Do I shower every day? Do I shower twice a day? What do I do? So, here are the guidelines. Again, this is something that is very personal. You might like to start your day with a shower because it starts your routine. You might like to end your day with a shower because it helps you calm down before you go to sleep. However, the recommendation is that you shower every other day unless you are being active. So if you are working out, you need to shower. So if you can remember, if you sweat, you should get wet. So if you sweat, then you should wet. Do that. Get yourself nice and clean every time you get sweaty. That is just on your body. So your body needs every other day. Your hair is different. Your hair depends on your texture. So there's a couple things that come with this. Your styling also matters, if you've colored it or if you've done anything else to it, of course. So if you have fine hair, you might even need to shower and wash your hair every day. It really depends because the softer that your hair is, the more oily it gets. So that's one thing to consider. If you have any sort of texture in your hair, if you're going natural or if you have it braided, the recommendation by the American Academy of Dermatology says that you should wash it every week or every other week. So that's pretty different. It depends on what you've got. And if your skin is naturally a little bit more oily, you might need to shower a little bit more. When we're talking about our face, that is also a personal preference. However, the recommendation is immediately after you sweat, in the morning and in the evening. If you use a face wash in the evening and not the morning, that's a choice, but you want to make sure that you're hitting your face with some sort of water. After you sweat, then you should wet. So, with your face and your body, you should splash yourself with water as soon as you can, and as soon as you can do so safely, meaning you have a towel to dry yourself off, you're at home, you're not going to splash yourself in a public locker room from the sinks that you wash your hands in. So, there are some things to think about for our frequency. Until our next video.